Hey, what's up guys? A new image tweeted from space by astronaut Scott Kelly looks to depict a UFO above the Earth that at least I haven't been able to identify as anything. And a few people have been emailing me this image over the past few hours, so I thought I'd do a video on it. And as you're seeing here, this is an image of the massive winter blizzard that has been blanketing the East Coast. This picture was taken from space, and if you look up here in the left-hand corner, we see this odd bell or acorn-shaped UFO, this white blob that obviously isn't the moon, and it doesn't look like any of the actual stars in the image that you can see sprinkled about. And down at the bottom of the UFO, there's a smaller little white object that seems to be connected to it, or it could be possibly a star in the distance behind the object. However, nonetheless, it's just a weird, unidentified object up in space. It's not the first time that we've found these odd things in ISS images, and I'm sure NASA will come out with a perfectly logical explanation, as they always do. And what's also odd is the fact that we don't see this object in any of the other images tweeted showing this winter storm from space. I've looked through all the images, and it seems like this image with this UFO is the picture that has been the least circulated online. It's almost as if they posted it online, and then they quickly posted some more images without the UFO and circulated those. So, you know, there's a handful of images, none of which contain this object or anything even near it. But it's definitely interesting, and I'd like to know, or just have a little bit of clarification regarding what this is. So, check out the image for yourself, play with it in Photoshop, let us know what you guys think, and stick around because we've got a list of videos coming, and we'll have them up real soon. So, stay safe, guys.